9 Moons is an MPF program for employees providing guidance on baby care from pregnancy through the first years of life. The content is developed by a multidisciplinary team and is divided into 3 modules. The first focuses on pregnancy, the second covers newborn babies up to 6 months old, and the third is aimed at babies from 6 months to 2 years old. The program includes guidance from the fields of psychology, social service, nutrition, dentistry, and more. The information is provided through digital materials, along with online meetings held on dates and times scheduled in advance. For more information, visit datacg.net/9moons. Follow the full program for clear guidance that supports health and quality of life for you and your family.